Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl CC Ella. Welcome back to another video if you are a baddie boo, and welcome if you are new to this channel. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I do all type of content for fashion, thrifting, beauty, hair, etc. So guys, today I am doing a half up, half down hairstyle really quick with clip-ins. So let me show y'all what I'm about to do and get beautified. So first things first, I'm going to section my hair off into the front and the back. And I am going to braid the back and leave out some of the hair in the middle of those two sections for the leave out. Then I'm going to part it down the middle in the back, and I'm going to just simply do some big braids or cornrows, whatever you want to call it, slanted going down the back. I noticed that slanting the braids makes the clip in better. Don't ask me, it's just I tried it different ways, but slanting the braids to me makes the clip-ins more secure, to be honest. So I'm going to braid a couple of braids on each side, slanted going to the back, like I said before. And y'all, don't mind the parts. It don't have to be perfect. Just trust the process, okay? This half up, half down is going to be so nice. I'm hoping. This is my first time doing this style. I tried it a different way with my hair out, and it didn't come out right because my hair is short and it didn't blend in with the extensions. So therefore, I said, let me try this and see if it works. So this is my first time trying this on camera with you guys. Wish me luck. Now in the front, I'm just going to simply leave out the front for the ponytail and to cover the clip-ins. So yeah, we're going to just section this off and make sure it's out the way before we start the front of the braids. And then I'm going to simply just part it down the middle as I did in the back, and I'm going to braid up slanted for the clip-ins to be more secure, as I said before. So yeah, the braids is the long part when it comes to this hairstyle. As far as the clip-ins, it takes literally minutes to do. That's why I love them so much. I told y'all these clip-ins was gonna hate to see me coming, child. Yeah, so anyway, we're gonna keep braiding. We're going up, 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 guys. I'm gonna only make 3 on each side. And I just parted in the middle because I just thought it would be a little more easier to connect the braids for the style. Like I said, I'm not making these braids perfect, so don't mind the parting because, child, I'm in a rush, and you know I don't like doing hair and I don't like getting my hair done. So this is just, it works for me, okay? And I'm happy and I'm glad for me. All right, so we're attaching the braids now, and then I'm just going to take a crochet needle and just pull them under so they can be a little bit more secure, not sticking out. And yeah, that's it as far as the braids, guys. Just make sure you slant the braids. If you do this hairstyle, just make sure the braids are slanted instead of going straight. All right, now we got the clip-ins, guys, and let's clip this hair in, child, because I am ready to get beautified, okay? I'm ready to see how this half up, half down hairstyle is going to look. Like I said, this is my first time, so if I mess up on this camera, you know that it didn't come out right because I would not be talking to you guys right now. So yeah, we're going to clip it in, and it just goes so smooth with these braids being slanted. I don't know. I think I've seen a video and the girl was telling me that she slanted her braids, but she didn't say why. So that's why I'm saying, okay, maybe let me try it and see if I notice a difference. And I surely did, y'all. It makes a huge difference with braids slanted. I just want to put that out there. All right, so we're clipping them in, y'all. We're clipping them in. Wish me luck, y'all. I don't know what I'm doing, child. I really don't. But we gonna see. We gonna see. Okay, I got all the back clip ins in. Now it's time to see what this front do. All right, so I'm just going to simply do the same thing, clip in the hair in the front, but I'm going to make sure my braids is secured tight, so that I have no mess in the front of my hair. So yeah, we're doing the same thing for the back. Clip, 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 honey. Clip, clip, clip. These clip ins in. And yeah, that's basically it, y'all. Simple hairstyle, half up, half down. I love this hairstyle. It's just so simple. It's so cute. And yeah, we're gonna see how this turned out. Like I said, because I have no clue. I kind of almost was like, oh no, this ain't gonna work. But then I'm like, okay, let me just keep going. Okay, cool. That was the last clip in. And this hair, guys, I bought this from a hair store and I really don't like it. It sheds a lot and it gets tangled. So this will probably be my last couple of times using this. But I'm just going to comb it through, make sure all the tangles are out. And then we're going to start with the front of covering the clip ins and putting it up in a ponytail. Okay, so I got the ponytail up, I got my hair brushed back, and I'm probably going to straighten it a little bit just to get the frizz away. But this is the final look, guys, and it came out pretty decent. I'm not even going to lie. It looks very, very natural. If I had better hair, it would look even better. But I'm going to just work with what I got. So I'm thinking maybe putting some curls in it or something. I'm not really sure. But this is the look, guys. Let me know what y'all think in the comments section. Yeah, I'm going to flat iron it like I said. And y'all think I should do any curls or what? I'm thinking. So yeah, let me see. Because it's straight now. So yeah, this is it, guys. And I love it. I love it so much. Y'all, like I said, this is my first time, and I'm glad I was able to achieve this look with clip-ins. I didn't think it was possible, but I had to, use my brain for this one. So yeah, this is the side. And like I said, it looks very natural. This hair I don't like though. With better hair, it would look 10 times better. Yeah, the back, y'all. And yeah, guys, so let's see what we about to do with it. If we're going to keep it straight or if we're going to put some curls in it, I'm really not sure yet. So yeah, I think I am. I think I am going to put some crimps in it, y'all. I haven't did crimps in a while. I think that's what they call it. So I bought these crimps from a thrift store years ago. They're actually vintage. I don't even know if they gonna work, y'all. So let's see what it do, because these things is old. So we're going to section this off, and I'm not doing it perfect because like I said, I'm rushing, but we're just going to crimp it in. These how the crimps is looking so far. They're not the big ones. They like the old school ones. So yeah, we're going to just crimp this hair through, and then I'll come back with the results. Okay, okay. All right, y'all. This low key eats down. Let me spray my little spritz on there. And child, let me tell you, like, I like it. I like it a lot, guys. Y'all let me know in the comment section what y'all think. Would you rock this hairstyle, y'all? And it takes literally probably about, once you get the braids in, everything takes probably about 30 minutes. You know, just depending on how fast you braid and how big you do the braids. But yeah, this is the final look, guys. And I am loving this. Half up, half down. I haven't rocked this hairstyle in years. I'm maybe probably over 10 years. But anyway, y'all, love y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.